Starting to see some lightning. Not going on too much. Oh, that cloud's producing lightning too. Should probably go in real soon. Ooh. Dang. Alright, I should probably head inside. Well, folks, the rain's finally rolling in. Should probably lock the van real quick. Not that that's going to matter with the storm, but locking it up overnight. Oh, I just got some sort of warning. Yep. Severe thunderstorm warning for Allegan County and Van Buren County.
Hey.
We'll be alright, Nat. I am a bit concerned, but I think we'll be alright. A little bit, but I think we'll be okay. Trust me, Nat. Just hoping and praying for the best and expecting the worst. Yeah. Shit. Oh, pardon my language, folks. Yeah. Oh, the wind just picked up. Oh boy. Oh, and the light just flickered again. We're good, Nat. We're good. Oh boy. Nat, you still in here? Nat. Oh, man. You're good, man. Oh, man. What? Yep. Alright. Yep. Let's get downstairs. Just in case. Holy smokes, that came out of nowhere. Well, okay, it didn't, but... Oh, jeez. Yep, I know. But don't jinx it yet. We're not out of the woods. Yeah. We're not out of the woods yet, so be, you know. Oh my gosh.
I'm scared. I can't.
Nah, just, it's okay.
I'm scared.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
We're okay, Nat. We're okay. Nat, just. Don't open the door. Don't open the door.
I know.
Yeah. Crap, there's water coming under the door.
Yeah, that's from the.
Yeah. Oh, I'm hearing hail. I don't see it, but I hear it.
Yep.
Sorry, YouTube audience. I don't mean to get nervous, but holy smokes.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this limestone into that.
I might wait until the morning to do dishes. I don't want to get started and then freaking power go out. Oh my gosh, okay, that lightning. Yeah. My gosh. Yeah. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna call Ed real quick. Yeah. I'm gonna call Ed real quick.
That's fine. We might want to get charging stuff.
My stuff is plenty well charged. I'm gonna call Ed real quick. Yeah, bro. Hey, did you get hit with strong wind yet?
No, not yet. Why?
Yeah, we just got frickin' whacked with some strong wind there for a second.
Strong wind and rain.
I think we're getting hail right now too.
I'm in the house. Just
Yeah.
sitting on my chair.
Yeah. Well, if it hasn't hit you yet, it will. It's freaking coming. It was nothing, and then it just out of nowhere, wind picked up. Our power was out for a sec, and then it. Oh man.
You can't even see out the window either.
It was almost a whiteout with rain. Oh, the wind's still. Wind's still kind of going. Huh?
Did your dad just make it up there, or what?
I think so, but they made it up there. But I'm trying to get them to, be aware of what's going on.
Dad said it's getting
Right. Just knew. She texted me and said that, I don't know, I was waiting for you to get a hold of me.
Yeah.
She said that we'd probably be leaving earlier, and I'm like, okay, because she's like, what time's your doctor? Because I've been up and down, I've been trying to get my shit together. I don't know what all I need to take.
Or if you're
I was going to call you earlier, but I fell asleep.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, like, do I need a 10 or something? Or? Just a second.
No,
I
Ed.
don't want to be in there.
Ed, you'll be able to sleep in the camper. Nat and Ari are going to be in a tent.
Wait, but is Jess sick or what? She said she was sick.
Yeah, but she'll be in a different room. It's not contagious.
Okay, she said she was sick or something. I'm like,
She just has a flu.
I don't want to get sick because I'm already miserable.
It's not contagious.
Okay. I was like, I'm sleeping in a tent. I mean, it's going to be really uncomfortable, but
Yeah.
Holy crap, dude. I'm on the back porch, and it's like really windy.
Yeah, it was probably blowing like 70 miles per hour here for a
Dude, I'm
second.
actually freaking scared. I'm trying to do my hair.
I think it hit you guys. I don't want to say nothing. I don't want to be like all of a sudden, boof.
Yeah,
Windows blow out of my house again because
yeah. Well, yeah. I'm not saying anything right now, but it got gusty for probably a good 3 minutes. I was sitting upstairs with Natalie, and it went from calm to all of a sudden just we got freaking whacked. We went downstairs because we were worried that something was going to happen. Speaking of which, Nat, I'm gonna go upstairs real quick, make sure things are okay. Well, folks, you can't really see because it's freaking dark, and I don't want to go outside right now because the wind's still going. But we had a dog crate that flipped over onto our deck, a bed liner. Can't really see it too well. Yeah. Okay.
There's the dog kennel.
Yeah, dog kennel's right there, and as well as the freaking rake that's up against it.
There's the bed liner.
Yeah.
That door blew off there.
Oh yeah. Dang, that bed liner bounced right over that snowmobile.
Yeah, right over my snowmobile.
Yeah.
And everything.
Oh, that.
There's a bed right there.
Oh my goodness.
Jeez.
What happened to the grill?
The grill got
Oh, the grill got moved. Oh crap.
No, on the deck. Dad's gonna be.
Wow.
Dad can't get mad at us, Nat. That's
It just moved over to the.
yeah.